Today's adventure, this should be a good one. I headed out to Horseshoe Dam, Horseshoe Lake, Horseshoe Reservoir, whatever you want to call it. But they're supposed to be releasing water, and it's a little unique compared to some of the other dams around here, so I'm going to go check it out. My name is Craig, and this is my Tacoma, and we're going. All right, just some signage out here, let you know all the information that you need to know. Road out here to Horseshoe Dam just starts out as this nice 2-lane blacktop road. Here's one of the St. Clair Trails entrances over here. Doesn't take long into this, maybe about 2 miles, and you get on the dirt road section here. This is pretty much a dirt road. I think you could do it with any vehicle, really. There's just some, ruts, worn spots here and there. We've been getting a lot of rain lately, so you just kind of gotta, don't hit something too fast, basically. Here's kind of a nice view looking down at the Verde River. Might all be in the shadow and can't see anything. I'm at this area called Fisherman's Lookout or something. But there's already mist in the air. I mean, I can hear the water already. Should be cool. I don't know how much water's getting on the lens, if you can still see this, but man, it's coming out of there fast today. Look at those rapids. A rainbow. I don't know if the camera picks that up. I could definitely see it here. Yeah, this guy out here fishing. Man, I didn't expect it to be that much coming out. I'm going to go check up the higher up view now. Be there in a few minutes. All right, now at the upper lookout here, Horseshoe Dam Vista, I believe is what this one's called. Go see how it looks from up here. That right down there is where I just was. There's water dripping off this tree here, way up here. Look at the mist. Man, that's a lot. They are letting a lot out. Yes, that was a good amount of water coming out there today. It's definitely worth the drive out here. They only release water certain times a year, depending on how full the reservoir is. It releases it down the Verde River into Bartlett Lake, and then there's another dam down there. But I don't know of any other ones where you can walk under it like that. So it's a pretty unique experience. And yeah, it's just a short trip on that dirt road, a little bumpy, but pretty easy to get out here if you want to check it out. Also, if everything goes well, I'm going to have some Jeep content come up soon, so if you're here for that, stick around. If you're not, stick around anyways. We got videos coming. All right, I'm on my way out here, and I was going to stop because this is where about a month ago I did the St. Clair video, and this is where I aired up, and you can see the signs are all burnt. So I'm not sure what's going on out here with people.